Hi friends, hope all of you are fine and this is Swati this side. So again in front of you with some fundamentals on principles and practices of management. This is a subject which is being used by the bachelor people doing the Bachelor of Business Administration and people doing MBA, and in fact in some BTech programs also. This subject is there with the name of Principles of Management, plus in some BCA and MCA subjects also this subject is there, and this particular topic you might found in OSPM subjects like OSPM and Principles of Management. So let us start. Get set go. Here I would like to talk about firstly what is management, right? So management is a process of planning, decision making, organizing and directing and controlling the human resources, right? So पहले हम बात करते हैं that how did management came, fine. Now talking about the evolution of management thought. So in 1900, before that, when it was the World War II, so after that industrial revolution came, fine. और industrial revolution का मतलब क्या था? That we started manufacturing in the industries. Okay. Now it started in European countries, right? Not in the developing countries, in the developed countries. And there were it started with some sort of confusions in the industry, right? People were not able to manage. The employees were not able to understand what are the rules and regulations because कुछ भी documented नहीं था. There were no rules and regulations defined. There were no policies in the industry, right? तो लोगों को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था who had started working in the industry. So it was a stage of ambiguity, right? People were confused. Plus the employers, since the manufacturing was on large scale, right? And employers were not having the understanding of a systematic process to be enrolled so that they can manage people, they can manage their resources, plus along with performance. Okay, so employers and employees both were confused that what to do, क्या करें. Okay, हम क्या करें जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री, हमारी फैक्ट्री जो है वो अच्छे से चले, सिस्टमैटिकली चले. तो क्लासिकल अप्रोचेस के कुछ प्रोपाउंडर्स आए, जैसे Mr. F.W. Taylor. Okay, he was the father of scientific management, right? So he came with the first theory. Okay, and this theory was related to process of doing the things in a scientific way. Fine. He said that we should develop a scientific approach for each element of one's work. Okay, the industry, the corporate should train, teach and develop each worker. Okay, and they should cooperate with each workers to ensure that job matches the plans and principles. Right. And in scientific management, the main problem was that Taylor, okay, he talked about piece rate incentive system, time and motion study, it was good. But only lacuna was that man was considered as a machine, right? इंसान को या एम्प्लॉय को एक मशीन की तरह माना गया. They did not give any focus or any emphasis on the emotions of employees, on the physical issues related with the employees, right? So the limitations of the employees. So this was scientific management और इसमें दो बहुत अच्छे एस्पेक्ट थे. फर्स्ट वाज पीस रेट इंसेंटिव सिस्टम जिसमें F.W. Taylor told that each and every person should be paid according to the units he has produced or manufactured or according to the work he has done. Okay, so Taylor was of this opinion that there should be a differentiation between efficient and inefficient workers. मतलब जो अच्छे काम करने वाले लोग हैं और कम काम करने वाले लोग हैं उनके बीच में कुछ डिफरेंशिएशन होना चाहिए. So he said that any person should get the wages according to the things, according to the number of units produced. Fine. Now talking about the time and motion study, it was about that Taylor told that हम as employer we should try, okay, that any worker who is working in our industry, in our organization, should do the work with minimum effort and minimum time and minimum movements involved. ठीक है, मतलब जो टाइम है वो भी कम से कम टाइम में उसको कोई काम करना चाहिए और कम से कम एफर्ट में. मीन्स हैंड्स और लेग्स का जो मूवमेंट होता है ना, दैट शुड बी द मिनिमम, देन ओनली इट विल बी इफेक्टिव, राइट. दिस इज अबाउट scientific management. Now talking about the time and motion study. अगर हम बात करते हैं, if we go, I hope all of you might be knowing about these fundamentals. Now we are into industry 4.0 scenario. Now आपको starting से समझाती हूँ that what it is about. Industry 1.0 is when we had started with the industrial revolution, and at that time we used to use steam power. Okay, steam engines use होते थे रेलवे में, and weaving looms use होती थी टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में. मीन्स इट वाज अ स्टार्टअप. Okay, start of the industry. It is called as industry 1.0. Now because of the improvement in the time and motions, in our times and motions, we improved to industry 2.0. Okay, अब उस टाइम पे क्या होता था, we started using electrical energy in the industries. तो उससे we started working faster, right? We started using assembly line in production. मतलब जैसे आप देख सकते हैं that यहाँ पे one person is standing, तो the work, this machine equipment was used and the product, it passed through different processes in a line. Okay, this is called as assembly line. Fine. So it was industry 2.0. Now then after again we improved on this and we switched to industry 3.0 जब computers आए. Okay, we started using computers and electronics in the industry, plus we automated ourselves. Okay, now at present we are into industry 4.0 where we have started using not presently, it is just some time before, because right now we have become digital and we have become technical. Okay, so industry 4.0 scenario says that there is a greater use of cyber physical systems, internet of things and networks. So presently काफी सालों से we have started using internet, right? Internet एक deadline की तरह हो गया. It is like an electricity. Means light गई, अगर आपका डेटा गया means light is gone. You will run for getting your internet data recharged. So this is the impact of time. देखिए कैसे how it changes, right? Now let us discuss about the functions of management. Okay, about management. So management is a process of planning, decision making, and organizing the resources and leading, means directing the people how to work and controlling it. Okay, now if we take an example of a business, हमको एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है तो पहले हम कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी स्टार्ट प्लानिंग, हम गोल्स अपने डिफाइन करते हैं, वी डिफाइन कि कहाँ पे हमको बिजनेस करना है, व्हाट शुड बी द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, ओके, हाउ वी हैव टू गो फॉर इट, स्ट्रैटेजीज डिसाइड करते हैं, दैट इज प्लानिंग. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, मतलब हम इस प्लानिंग को, इस होमवर्क को ग्रास रूट लेवल पे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए ग्राउंड लेवल पे ले आते हैं, एंड वी सेट ऑल दीज रिसोर्सेज टुगेदर and implement the plans. That is organizing. Now leading is what? Leading is obviously we have to tell people, so many people we have to include in our business जो हमारे लिए काम करेंगे. Okay, so we have to instruct them, we have to tell them how to do, when to do, what to do, where to do, fine. So this is a part of leading, और leading का को हम directing भी बोल सकते हैं, right? Now controlling is about how we monitor, मतलब हम उनको चेक कैसे करते हैं कि कितना काम हुआ, कितना नहीं हुआ, all that. Okay, so we evaluate their performance. So this is called as control. Now talking about the scope of management. So basically we have a lot of scope. In management is used in almost all industries, right? चाहे आप मेडिकल ले लीजिए, चाहे आप टेक्सटाइल ले लीजिए, चाहे आप पेट्रोकेमिकल ले लीजिए, चाहे आप स्टील ले लीजिए, चाहे आप सर्विस इंडस्ट्री ले लीजिए, राइट, एजुकेशन सेक्टर ले लीजिए, एवरीवेयर मैनेजमेंट इज देयर. ओके, सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एवरीवेयर. हर जगह प्लानिंग की जरूरत होती है, हर जगह ऑर्गेनाइजिंग की जरूरत होती है. Everywhere we need leaders to lead the team, right? So the scope of management is wide, right? Now talking about the different levels, there are 3 levels in management. First is top level management, second is middle level, and the third is lower level. Top level management comes the executives and the important people, and then they are followed by mid level and lower level. Now, this is all about management, and I hope you liked this. I will be creating more videos telling you about what came after scientific management, right? And who were the proponents of this. So, I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye. Good night. See you. Happy learning.